In this video, I'll be showing you how to create Payoneer account in Nigeria, the new working method this 2022. Okay, so when you come over to payoneer.com, actually Payoneer have changed their interface whenever you want to register an account. And okay, so when you come over to payoneer.com, just click on the register button here. Click on the register button here and you'll be directed to this page. Okay, so in this page you have to select the right account for your need. Okay, so it depends. Affiliate marketer, you can choose affiliate marketer. If you are an online seller, you can choose online seller. If you are a freelancer, you can choose freelancer, because sometimes on Payoneer, anytime you want to send payment, you have to like add some description. So if maybe okay, you are doing mixture of freelancing, affiliate marketer, anyone, okay, so I will go with the individual. I mean, you're just an individual. Okay, you tap on individual. So now I'm looking to, is it to get paid, or you want to send money between friends and family, or order the prepaid card, but your whole motive is to get paid, so you tap on get paid. Okay, now you click on this register now button. Okay, but so you get paid, okay, from Upwork, Fiverr, Getty, okay, Getty Image, get paid from global clients, withdraw your earning to your local bank, withdraw funds at ATM, pay your suppliers and subcontractors for free. So something about this Payoneer is that you can only receive payments from companies. Okay, companies, that means okay, all those companies, or receive payments from an individual Payoneer account. If someone can't send, because when you register a Payoneer account, you'll be given like different country banks like USD banks, a euro account and a pounds account. So someone from another country can't just send you money. Individuals, must be a company. So you just tap on register now. So when you click on sign up, I think there's 4 or 5 steps. Okay, it's very simple, but note you have to have a form of identity. Okay, it's very important. A form of identity is very important whenever you want to register a Payoneer account, because you have to verify your identity. So now you select as individual. Okay, you scroll down, your first name. Okay, let me just put, okay, first name, your first name, that's your name, Barack. Then your last name is your surname. Put, it must tally with the details on your ID. If you don't have an ID, you can use someone details to register, but just make sure you have the ID, because sometimes Payoneer can just like block your account, and not that block your account, but maybe just restrict you from logging in, but you have to verify before you can log in. So email address, enter your email address. Okay, okay, you have to re-enter your email address. So I'll just copy and paste the email address here. Very simple. Then date of birth. So you must be above 18 years, minimum of 18 years. Okay, so let me select a random date of birth. Okay, it must tally with the details on your ID. Very, very important. Okay, you click on the next. Okay, so now your country, Nigeria, streets. Okay, I have my streets here already. I just put it there like that. Okay, okay, so it have exceeded. Okay, okay, just make sure everything tally, because once the details are not tally with your ID, they won't approve you. Okay, you have to enter a working phone number. Okay, because I'll send the verification code to verify your number here now. Okay, so let me enter this number. So I'll send the code now. Okay, I've received the full code on my phone here now. Is 76 45767. Then you have to scroll down because when you enter into login, you have to receive verification on this number. So that's all for that part. Okay, verified. Okay, now I'm in the security details. Enter password. Okay, see your password should contain 7 characters including alphabet number. Okay, so let me just put a random password. Security question is very important. Sometimes when you forget your password, you want to recover it. What's the first name? Okay, let me just look. Okay, what is your grandmother first name? Just put a name. Just for my then see your issuing country ID, Nigeria. Then national, you have to use the national ID card, driver license or passport. National ID card, everyone have it. So I just have to enter a random national ID card number. I can't just be entering my own for privacy reason. Okay, let me just enter. It's always 10 digits. 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Then for this part you have to enter this code GB2N4. So you click on the next. So the last part now is you entering your bank details. Okay, yes, personal account. I think you can add a Nigerian bank or a domiciliary account bank. Okay, because or a euros bank. Okay, but most of you don't have the strength to be going to bank because actually Payoneer rate is lower than bank rate because Payoneer will give exchange for you at the rate of 401 402 per dollar, but bank rate around that 413 420. But if you want to use it for a long term, I will advise you to open a domiciliary account. Okay, you can open a domiciliary account, and because Payoneer is just an alternative for domiciliary accounts. Very simple. Because if you have a domiciliary account, you don't need to own a paper account for a Payoneer account. But anyway, if you use a Nigerian account, if you want to withdraw, you can withdraw from your Payoneer to your bank, and they'll give you at the rate of 401, which is not that good. But also you can use your domiciliary account because sometimes domiciliary account have some restriction. I need to receive huge amount of money. But Payoneer doesn't have any restriction, so you can receive large amount of money like $10,000, $15,000 of Payoneer. Maybe you can now withdraw it bit by bit to your domiciliary account and withdraw. So just select a Nigerian account, name of the bank. Okay, let me choose Guarantee Trust Bank. Okay, then let's do this way. 52524. Okay, so you scroll down here, you tap on I agree. Okay, just make sure the details are correct. What I'm putting here are random details. Okay, so then click on submit. So when you click on submit, now application done, review in progress, you receive an email within several days once your application is being reviewed. Note something, you might receive an email telling you that you need to verify your identity, that you should upload your ID. Then you have to upload an ID. That means your national ID card. It can be the paper form or the plastic form. Anyone, they approve it. Okay, or you can use your voter's card. I also use voter's card. Okay, it's very simple. You can use your voter's card. You can use a national identity card, voter's card, driver license. Okay, so the main motive about this thing is that register it with the real details because they are going to verify those details, because they'll go over, verify your national ID number. If it tallies with the details there, they'll verify everything, and sometimes they might send an email for you to upload the national ID, the form of ID you use. So once everything tally, everything is all right, you receive an email within a day, 2 days, that your account has been approved, that you can log in. Okay, So when you log into your Payoneer account, you'll be seeing an interface like this. Okay, seeing an interface like this. Okay, so you can see your dollar balance, your euro balance, your pounds balance. Okay, I don't usually make use of my Payoneer account because I have a domicile account now. Okay, so if you want to receive money, you want to see your bank details, come to receive, then come over to like global payment service. Okay, that's when you're able to see your USD bank, your euros bank, and your pounds bank. Okay, so it's actually loading, just have to give it little time. Okay, so you can see now this my, okay, I only have this my pounds bank. To see the details, you see view details. This is the pounds bank. Okay, Barclays, source code, account number, the name used to register out to be here. I can see account guideline. You can only use this for local bank transfer. Okay, payments from personal bank will be declined, wire transfer are not supported. So you can see, and this is my USD bank here. Okay, you can see it, and I think they have euros, but I'm not seeing the euros here. And also you can also add other banks. They've added the Japanese bank, Singapore bank, Canada bank, Australia bank. Okay, you can make use of them. And so if you want to withdraw, you just come over here, withdraw to bank accounts. Okay, and make sure the bank account is linked to your Payoneer. The name is the same name on your account. You can't link another bank to it, and you can link maximum of 3 bank accounts to your Payoneer. And you see, select from which balance. I select from USD. Okay, to which bank. I think I've added 3 banks. Okay, see, I've added 3 banks. So if I add this one, you see, okay, I can't withdraw because it's less than the amount allowed. Okay, and you can see, I think there's the limit of withdrawal per month is very high. You can see, so it's very easy to just enjoy the interface. And if you want to pay someone, you can make a payment. But before you can make a payment, like send money from one Payoneer account to another Payoneer account, you have to like meet some requirements. That means maybe you have received money online more than 3 times, because I've actually received payment online more than 5 times, so I'm able to send. Before you're able to send, you have to receive money more than 3 times. And you see, send money to a Payoneer recipient. Okay, and it's free. When you tap on it, they will ask you to enter this person Payoneer email address. Then you have to input. Okay, these are some people have sent payments already. Okay, very easy. When you select, then you have to like, okay, let me select this, then next. Okay, I'm not allowed to send because my balance is little. I want to check on transaction history, enter transaction. Okay, are you able to see your transaction history, the payment you have received? Okay, it's very easy. The interface is very easy. I'm not showing you guys. Okay, because most of you might not understand how the interface works. So if you encounter any issue while registering the account, you can just like message me. Okay, I'm available. Okay, let me see past years. I really longer with this account. I know this account this year at all, since last year. Okay, when I used to receive ClickBank payments. Okay, you can see. So it's very easy to use this account. So in my next video, I'll be showing you guys how you can request Payoneer card, prepaid card, their dollar card. Okay, very easy. How you can request Payoneer card. Okay, so subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, so and give the video a thumbs up, so people who are actually interested in this kind of video can see it. Okay, so just subscribe and stay tuned for my next video where I'll show you how you can request and apply for Payoneer prepaid card, whereby you giving the ATM card and you can withdraw from any ATM stand without you. Yeah, just withdraw from ATM stand from your dollar balance, euro balance, or any balance. Okay, so that's all for today. Kindly give this video a thumbs up if you actually enjoyed it. Do have a nice day.